Hi, we are muniAI. Is your control room also equipped with 7 screens? With muniAI, we manage all your maintenance, tasks, SLAs, assets, and emergencies with one intuitive platform on one screen only. Let me explain. John and his kids are at the park, and they see a leaking pipe. John taking a photo and send it to the municipality by their app. The most suitable field worker and most nearby to the hazard receives the task without human contact. At the same time, his manager gets the task on his dashboard and can make sure it proceeds. Meanwhile, on a nearby street, a smart car will automatically send a task to the nearest road worker if a road obstacle is spotted during the drive. muniAI is suitable for smart cities and airports, buildings, construction sites, and many more. We have integrated with many companies with AI, IoT, cameras, sensors, and more. Visit us at muniAI.city.